Hello friends, welcome to Shield IAS. So in this video lecture, we will be taking up the PYQs from 2019 till 2022 of the topic of percentage. In the last video lecture, we have taken the questions from 2014 till 2018. So let us begin. So this is the question of 2019 and it says that A and B are two heavy steel blocks. Okay, if B is placed on the top of A, the weight increases by 60%. So if B is placed on the top of A, the weight increases by how much percent? 60%. How much weight will reduce with respect to the total weight of A and B if B is removed from the top of A? So this is the question. Okay, so first of all, it is saying that A and B are two heavy steel blocks. So let this be block A, yes, and this be block B. Okay, so if B is placed on the top of A, the weight increases by how much? 60%. So let the A and B is placed on a weighing machine, yes, weighing machine. Okay, so the weight increases by how much? 60%. Then I can always write that how much will be the increase in weight. Let the weight of B be B and the weight of A is A. Okay, so B divided by, what is the initial value? Initial value is A into 100. This would be 60, right? So this would be equation number 1. Second, it says how much weight will reduce with respect to the total weight of A and B if B is removed from the top of A. Okay, so first what has happened? First we have gone from A to A plus B. Then we have again removed the B, to final weight becomes A, and from where we have come? We have come from A plus B. So what is again the change? Again the change is B, but now the initial weight is A plus B into 100. This value we have to get, yes. Okay, so this will be how much? So A would be 100B by 60. We'll put in here. So B divided by 10 by 6 plus 1 whole times B into 100, yes. B cancel, so this would be 6 upon 16, yes, into 100. 2 3s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 50s are, yes, and this would be 12.5. so 12.5 into 3, it would be 37.5%. so the correct answer to this question would be D. Now this is the next question. It says when a runner was crossing the 12-kilometer mark, she was informed that she had completed only 80% of the race. So when she had crossed the 12-kilometer mark, she has completed 80% of the race. How many kilometers was the runner supposed to run in this event? So 12 is how much percentage? 80%, yes. So 1% is what? 12 upon 80. 100% is what? 12 upon 80 into 100, yes. Let us calculate. 4 2s are 4 3s are 2 5s are, it would come out to be 15. So the total length of the race is 15 kilometer. So answer should be B. Now this is the next question. It says Raju has rupees 9,000 with him and he wants to buy a mobile handset, but he finds that he has only 75% of the amount required. So he has only 75%. So what I can say, that 9,000, how much is this? 75%, yes. So what would be 1%? 1% would be 99,000. 9,000 upon 75. What would be the 100% cost of the mobile? It would be 9,000 divide by 75 into 100. Yes, 25 4s are 25 3s are, it would be 3000. So 100% price would be 12,000 rupees. Yes. Now let's see what is the question asking. So therefore he borrows 2000 from a friend. If he has 9000 and if he borrows 2000, he'll be having 11,000 rupees, right? Still he will be able to buy or not? No, he'll be short by 1000 rupees. So what does the option A says? Raju still does not have enough amount to buy the handset. This is correct. Raju has exactly the same amount as required to buy the handset. No, it is wrong. Raju has enough amount to buy the handset and he will have 500 with him after buying the handset. No. Raju has enough amount to buy the handset and he will have 1000 rupees with him after buying the handset. No. So the correct answer would be A. And this is the next question. In an examination, A has scored 20 marks more than B. Okay. So A has scored how many marks? 20 marks more than B. If B has scored 5% less marks than A. Okay. So B has scored 5% less than marks than A. So how much has B scored? This is the question. Yes. So how can you say B is what? 5% less marks than A. Yes. So if you minus A minus B, it would be 5% less. Yes. 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 Or let it do it another way. We'll see. Let's not do this question this way. Let's do it in a simpler manner. Okay. In an examination, A has scored 20 marks more than B. So A is B plus 20. Yes. If B has scored 5% less marks than A, how much marks has B scored? So in this we will be cross checking our options. Yes. So let the B is 360. Yes. Let the B be 360. We have assumed that A is the right answer. So what would the marks of A? A would be 380. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. So what will be the 5% of A? What would be the 5% of A? 5% of A would be 5 by 100 into 380. Yes. It would be 20. Okay. So it would be 19. Okay. But the difference have to be 20. So A cannot be the answer. Now in this case A would be 400 because A would be 20 marks more than B. Yes. So 5% of 400, it would be 20 marks. And if you reduce 20 marks from 400, you again get 380. So the correct answer would be 380. In this, we have only cross-checked the options, and in the actual examination, you should always cross-check the given options and arrive at the right answer. Okay. Okay. So this is the next question. Rakesh had money to buy 8 mobile handsets, okay, of a specific company, but the retailer offered very good discount on that particular handset. Rakesh could buy 10 mobile handsets with the amount he with the amount he had. What was the discount the retailer offered? So let's say he is buying 8 mobile handsets with a particular amount of money, but the retailer offered a very good discount on that particular handset. Rakesh could buy 10 mobile handsets with the amount he had. What was the discount the retailer offered? So this is the actual question. Okay. Okay. So let us see this. Let's say each mobile cost 100 rupees. Yes. So if he is able to buy 8 mobile handsets, that means he is how much having? He is having 800 rupees in his pocket. Yes. Later on, he is able to get how much? 10 mobiles. This means that 800 divided by 10, each mobile cost him 80 rupees. So what is the discount that he has got? 100 minus 80 upon 100. into 100, yes. So it comes out to be 20%. So he has get 20% of the discount. So the correct answer should be B. Now this is completed our 2019 discussion. So now let us do the 2020 questions. So a person brought a car and sold it for how much? 3 lakh. Okay, if he incurred a loss of 20%, he incurred a loss of 20%, then how much did he spend to buy the car? So this 20% would always be calculated from the initial value. Just we have to see whose 20%, yes, whose 80% value comes out to be 3 lakh, because 20% is the loss. So the value that he had able to realize is only 80%. So let us see 3,60,000 okay, into 80%. So this comes out to be 3,600 into 8. 0, 0, 0, 8 6 are 48, 4 8 are 24. So this is not the right answer. Yes. So let us see this one, 3,75,000. So 375,000 into 80 by 100. Yes, 80 by 100, it comes out to be what? Okay, 37500 into 8, 0, 0, 8 5 are 40, carry 4, 7 is 56, 66, 8 are 24. It comes out to be 3 lakhs. So the correct answer would be D. Yes. This is also an easy question. Yes. So in 2020 PYQ, another question that it says a shop owner offers the following discount options on an article to a customer. So there are 3 ways that he is going to give discounts. Yes. And then it is asking which of the following option is correct. So let us see. First case is successive discount of 10% and 20% and then pay a service tax of 10%. Yes. So let us assume that the bill of the customer is 100 rupees. So first he gave a successive discount of how much? 10%. So in first case it would be 10% discount, so the value would be 90. Then 20% discount again he had give, then 20% on 90 he will give. So it would 20% of 90 is 18 and this will become 72. Then he has levied how much service tax? 10%. Okay, so 10% of 72 would be 7.2. That would be 7.2. Okay, so it would be 79.4. So it would be the final value of first case. Yes. In second case, what is there? Successive discount of 20% and 10% and then pay a service tax of 10%. So successive discount of 20% on 100, if I will give 20% discount, it becomes 80. Then I will give how much? 10% discount, so it becomes 72. Yes, because 10% of 80 is 8, and if 10% is reduced, then it becomes 72. And then a service tax of 10%, it again becomes 79.4. Yes. In the third case, pay a service tax of 10% first, so it would become 110 because 10% of 100 is 10, so it would be 110. Then successive discount of 20% and 10%. So first 20% discount, then it would become 20% of 110 is 22. 110 minus 22, how much would be? It would be 88. Yes. Yes, it would become 88. Yes. Okay. And then a 10% discount. So 88. Okay. Am I missing something? 79 point. It would be 79.2, not 79.4. Okay. Okay. And here also it would come 79.2. Right. So all of them are having the same price, no matter whatsoever. So all the options are equally good for the customer. Yes. So this is the 2020 PYQ. Yes. Now the next question, for which period was the natural growth rate maximum? So in this, what he is asking, he has given a birth rate and he has also given a death rate. So you must be aware that natural growth rate natural growth rate is nothing but birth rate minus death rate. You must be aware, right? So you just have to what? You just have to take the difference of all the quantities that are given in the options. So first is 1911 to 1921. So 48 minus 1 minus 35.5. So 48.1 minus 35.5. Okay. Next option 1941 to 51. You have to minus this. So 39.9 minus 27.4. Next option 1961 to 71. 41.1 minus 18.9. And the last option is 37.1 minus 14.8. Just by let us see what are the values. This would come out to be 48.1, it would come out to be 10, 11, 12, I guess 12.6. Yes, it comes out to be 39.9 minus 27.4. It comes out to be 12.5. Now 41.1 minus 18.9. So it would come out to be 20, 21, 22, 22.2. Yes, and this would come out to be let's say 20, 22.3. So the correct answer would be, which growth rate is maximum? It would be the year from 1971 to 1981, and the correct answer would be D. Yes, it was an easy question. Yes. So next question, it says in an adult population of a city, 40% men and 30% women are married. Okay, so 40% men and 30% of the women are married. What is the percentage of married adult population if no man marries more than one woman and no woman marries more than one man and there are no widows and widowers? Okay, in an adult population of a city, 40% men and 30% women are married. What is the percentage of married adult population if no man marries more than one woman and no woman marries more than one man? Okay, so let the total men be X and let the total woman be Y. So 40% of men are married, so 40x by 100 must be equal to 30% of the married woman. Yes, yes or no? Yes, definitely. So from here I would get 4x plus 4x is equal to 3y. Yes, this I can get. Okay, of married adult population, no man marries more than one woman and no woman marries more than one man, and there are no widows and widowers. Yes. Okay, so what is he asking? In adult population of a city, 40% men and 30% women are married. Okay, what is the percent of married adult population? Okay, so he is asking percentage of married adult population. What would be the percentage of married adult population? So it would be 40x by 100 plus 30x by 100 divided by how much? Total would be x plus y. Yes, yes, and I know what is the value of x. X is 3y by 4. So I can write what? I can write 4 by 10 into 3y by 4 plus it would be y, right? Plus 3y by 10, yes, upon 3y by 4 plus y. This I can always write. Yes, 4 se 4 cancel. It would become 6y by 10, 6y by 10 upon 7y by 4. Yes, it is easy. Y cancel. It would become what? It would become 24 by 70. 24 by 70. If I multiply by 100, it would become percentage. Yes. So okay. So it would come out to be how much? 24 by 7 into 10. Yes. 24 by 7 into 10. Have I done some mistake? I don't think so. 24 by 7 into 10. So 40x by 100 into 3y by 100 35 by 100, it becomes 3y by 4. I have substituted from here. 3y by 10, it becomes 6y by 10, and in denominator 7y by 4. Okay, and then it would become 24 by 70 into 100. Yes, okay, it has been right. Yes, so either this has to be true or this has to be true. Yes, so 7 into 34. What is 7 into 34? It comes out to be 240 by 7, right? This number. So 7 into 34. What is 7 into 34? 34 into 7. 21 into 23. Yes. 22, 38. Yes. And what is 7 into 33? 7 into 33 is nothing but it is 238, right? And 238 plus 2, it would be 240 by 7. So the correct answer would be C. Yes. Now this is the question. As a result of 25% hike in the price of rice per kg, a person is able to purchase 6 kg less rice for 1200. What was the original price of rice per kg? Yes. Okay, as a result of 25% hike in the price of rice per kg, a person is able to purchase 6 kg less rice for 1200 rupees. Okay, what was the original price of rice per kg? Okay, so let the original price of rice per kg is rupees 30. Then initially the person would be able to buy how much kilograms? 40 kilograms of rice in 1200 rupees. Yes, it is easy. Now the price has been hiked by how much? 25%. Yes, so what is the 25% of 30? 25% of the 30 is nothing but 30 by 4. It would come out to be how much? It could come out to be 7.5. So the new price is 37.5. How much can the person, this would be the amount of rice that the person would be able to purchase now? Yes. Yes or no? No, it will not be the price. I have to add this 7.5 in 30. So 37, that is 375 into 10. Yes, this would be the actual scenario. Yes. So what is it? If I divide it by 20, let's say 5. Yes, so 25 tens are 250, or let's say I will do it with 5 only. So 5 twos are 10. Yes, 240. Yes, 240. Here it would be 75. Yes, 75. Okay, so either here 5 would be 15, here 5 would be 44, 48. Okay, 48. So it would be 480 divided by 15. So 5 threes are 5, 96, 94. Yes, 945, 6, 96. It would be 96, and here it would be how much? It would be 30, I guess 32. Yes, 32. So 32. So now it would be getting how much? 32 kilos of rice, right? 32 kgs of rice. But how much he is able to less purchase? 6 kg. So it cannot be the right answer. Yes. Okay. So let us go with how much? Let us go with this option. So initially he would be getting what? 30 kg of rice. If the cost of the rice is 40 rupees, then he would be calculating how much? He would be getting how much rice? 30 kgs of rice. Yes. So if the amount is increased 25%, so what would the 25% of 40? It would be 10 rupees. Yes. So the next price would be 50. Yes or no? Yes. How much will we be able to buy in 50 rupees per kg? So 1200 divided by 50. Yes. So he would be getting how much? He would be getting 5 to the 10 to 24. Okay. So he will be getting 24, which is 6 kgs less. So the correct answer would be B. Yes. Next question. A student appeared in 6 papers. The maximum marks are the same for each paper. His marks in these papers are in the proportion of 5:6:7:8:9:10. Overall, he scored 60% marks. In how many number of papers did he score less than 60% of the maximum marks? Okay, so let the total marks be 100. Yes, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, paper 5, paper 6. So if you add all of these, 5 is to 6 is to 7 is to 8 is to 9 is to 10. So what would be the addition of all these numbers? 5 plus 6, 11, 11 and 7, it becomes 18, 18 and 8, 26, 35 and 45. So the denominating factor would be 35. So how much he would be able to score in first? It would be 5 by 45 into 100. This would be the answer. Yes. So 5 9s are 5 20s are. So it would become 100 upon 9 in first paper. In second paper, it would be 6 upon 45 into 100. Yes, 5 9s are 5 20s are. So it would be 120 by 9. 3 3s are 3 40s are. So it would be 40 by 3. Yes, in third paper, it would be 7 by 75 45 into 100. This would be 20. No, this will be 20, this will be 9. So 140 divided by 9. Yes. Okay, 140 divided by 9. Yes. In the fourth one, what is it? 8 by 45 into 100. Yes. So 5 9 ja 5 20 ja. Okay. So 28 ja 60. 160 divided by 9. Yes. 160 divided by 9. Okay. So this would be the amount of marks you would be getting in the fourth paper. In paper number 5, 9 upon 45. Yes, 9 upon 45 into 100. So it would be getting 5 9s are 5 20s are 20 into 9 180. 9 9 I can cancel, right? So it would be 20. Yes. In how many number of papers did he score less than 60% of the maximum marks? 60% of the maximum marks would be how much? Would be how much it would be? It would be am I missing something? Okay, yes, I am missing something, which is okay, 5x by 100 plus 6x by 100 plus 7x by 100 plus 8x by 100 plus 9x by 100 plus 10x by 100. Yes, this we have to do, and this will equal to how much? This would be the total amount of x, right? No, let us see, what is it? I have assumed total marks as 100. Yes, so first paper 5 by 45 into 100. What is it getting? It is getting 5 by 45 into 100 means 100 by 9. So it would becomes 20 by 9, 25, 100 by 9. 100 by 9 is how much? It would be around 9 point something. Okay. So here the correct answer would be 3. Yes. Now another question. P scored 40 marks more than Q in an examination. If Q scored 10% less marks than P, then how much did Q score? P scored 40 marks more than Q in an examination. If Q scored 10% less marks than P, then how much did Q score? Let Q score 360. So what would be the marks of P? 40 marks more than Q. Yes. So P score would be 360 plus 40, which would be 400. Now what is 10% of P? 10% of P would be 40. Yes. And what is the difference between 360 and 400? It is 40. So the option A is correct. Yes. Okay. Now, if the price of an article decreased by 20% and then the new price is increased by 25%, then what is the net change in the price? Let's say initial price is 100. Price is decreased by how much? 20%. It means the new price becomes 80. Again the price is increased by 25%. 25% of 80 is again 20. Yes. So again 20 add, it again becomes 100. So it would become no change. Yes, 0% change is there. Now next question, the increase in the price of a certain item was 25%. Yes, then the price was decreased by 20%. Yes, and then again it was increased by 10%. So we have just seen what? We have just seen that if you increase a price of a certain item by 25%, let's say it was 100, increased by 25, 125, then the price was decreased by 20. Now 125 into 20%, or if I would make it 80, then the new price would come. Yes, what would be it? 25, right? It would become again 100. Yes, and again 10%, what he has done? Again increase by 10%. So then it would become 110. So the correct answer would be, the net price has been increased by how much? 10%. 100 to 110. Yes. The next question, when 70% of a number x is added to another number y, the sum becomes 165% of the value of y. When 60% of the number x is added to another number z, then the sum becomes 165% of the value of z. Which one of the following is correct? Yes. So let us see. 70% of a number x, that is 70x by 100, is added by what? Added by another number y. It equals 165% of y. First equation. Second equation, when 60% of the number x, yes, is added to another number z, then it becomes 165%. Yes, in both cases it is 165% of z. Okay. So equation number 1 would become what? I can write 70x is nothing but 65y. This is the first equation. And the second equation is 60x is equals to 65z. Yes. Now let us take some value. Let y be 1. So what would be the x? Value of x would be 65 by 70. And what would be the value of z? What will be the value of z? Okay, 65 by 70. Yes, 65 by 70. Okay. Let me do it this way. Oh my god, this is not the right way to do. Y, if I take y as 1, so x would be 65 by 70, and if x I have got 65 by 70, then I can get what? Z? Z would be equal to 60 into 65 by 70 upon 65. Yes. So it would be 60 by 70. Yes. Okay. So what would be the answer? Z is the smallest or not? I have done some mistake, right? 165. It would, when 60% number added to another number z, then sum becomes 165% of the value of z. Okay. And when 70% number x is added to another number y, the sum becomes 165 of the value of y. Okay. So then it would come 65. Yes, 65 x 65y is equals to 70x. This is the equation. And here again 60% of the number x is added to another number z, then the sum becomes 165% of the value of z. So it becomes 65z is equals to 60x, right? Okay, so the lowest number is z, then it would be x, then it would be y. Yes, so the correct answer would be A. Now next question, two candidates x and y contested an election. 80% of voters cast their vote and there were no invalid votes. Okay, so how much people are voting 80%. There was no nota option. X got 56% of the votes, yes, cast, and won by 1440 votes. What is the total number of voters in the voters list? Yes, let the total number of voters is X. Yes, so 80% votes are being, that is 80x by 100. These are the total number of votes that has been casted. Yes, X got 56%. So X got 56%. Yes, and he won by how much? What would be the margin? And the other one would be getting 44%, right? The margin is 12%, and 12% is nothing but 1440. 12% of the total votes polled. Yes, 12%, that is 12 by 100 into 80 x by 100. This is given 1440. What you have to do is now is calculate. Yes, okay. So let us do. Okay, 12 is the 96. Okay, so X would be 1440 divided by 96, or I would say 12 into 8 into 1000. So this would become the answer. Okay, so please calculate what is 1440 divided by 12 into 8. 1440 divided by 12 into. Okay, so it is nothing but 1440 divided by 12, it's become 120. Yes, 120 divided by 8. Okay, it is 15. So the X value would be 15,000. Yes, so the correct answer would be A. Yes. Now please do it as a homework. Yes, do this question as a homework, and please comment the answer in the comment section. Yes, okay, so this is the question of clock. Please try it also. We have solved this type of question in the last lecture. Yes.